Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up C development environment. What do we need to start a C program? To start a C program, we need to set up a C development environment. C development environment is a setup on your computer that combines a C program editor and a C compiler. C program editor is an application or a text editor that allows you to write C programs and save them into files on your computer. A proper editor also checks for syntax in the program and highlights them. C compiler is used to compile the saved C programs and convert them into applications or executable programs. Most of the editors integrates compiler and debugger within them and makes compilation process easier, and such editors are called IDE software. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. How to set up C development environment? C programs can be executed on a variety of operating systems including Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, etc. In this video tutorial, setting up C development environment on Windows is explained for learning purpose. There are many C compilers available for Windows. Some are free to use while some are paid. The free C compilers that are popular include MinGW, Cygwin, Intel C++ for non-commercial purpose, etc. There are many IDE software available that integrate C compiler, and some popular of them include CodeBlocks, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, NetBeans, and CLine. In this video, for learning purpose, C IDE setup using CodeBlocks integrated with MinGW is explained. Let's get started with setting up the IDE by installing MinGW first. Go to your web browser and search for MinGW. In the search result list, click on the link from sourceforge.net. In the web screen opened, you can find a download button in green color to download MinGW installer setup file. Click on it and save the installer setup file onto the computer. Once the setup file is downloaded, click on the downloaded file and then click on Run to start setup. Once setup is completed, you can see MinGW Installation Manager open. In the left pane of the Installation Manager, click on Basic Setup and you can see some basic packages with checkboxes that are needed to be installed. Check all of them and click on Installation menu at the top. Then click Apply Changes and then click Apply to continue MinGW setup. Setting up MinGW is now completed. Now let's move on to set up CodeBlocks IDE software. To start setting up CodeBlocks, you need to download the setup file first. To download CodeBlocks setup, go to web browser and search for CodeBlocks. In the search results, click on the first link to codeblocks.org. Then on the web screen open, click on Downloads link on the left side of the page. Then click on Download the binary release link. On the next page, scroll down a little and you can find the download links for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Click on the Windows link and in the next page, choose to download the CodeBlocks setup software from sourceforge.net. Save the setup file onto the computer. Once the setup file is downloaded, Click on the setup file and then click on Run to start setting up code blocks on your computer. Click on Next button, click on Agree button, and then click on Install button to complete setup of code blocks software. Once the setup is completed, you will be asked, do you want to run code blocks now? Click on Yes to open code blocks. When the code blocks IDE is open, on the initial screen, you can find that code blocks has detected the installed MinGW GNU GCC Compiler. Click on OK. Now your computer is set up with code blocks IDE software integrated with MinGW GNU GCC Compiler and is ready to build C programs. Associate code blocks with C, C++ file types and the C development environment is ready on your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.